Mazda unveiled the 6e as its second electric vehicle in early 2025, but the Japanese automaker also revealed that a plug-in hybrid version of the vehicle would be based on the same platform. The 2025 Mazda 6e is an exciting addition to Mazda's lineup, blending their hallmark design and driving dynamics with the benefits of an all-electric powertrain. For those who are seeking an electric vehicle that's not just practical but also fun to drive, the Mazda 6e is an excellent option. With solid range, advanced technology, and a comfortable, upscale interior, the Mazda 6e proves that electric vehicles can be stylish and performance-oriented. The 2025 Mazda 6e continues the brand's tradition of sophisticated and stylish design. The sedan maintains the sleek, flowing lines of the traditional Mazda 6 but incorporates elements that signify its electric nature. Mazda designed the 2025 6e's unique front appearance. It had some unique features but also kept some of the carmaker's design elements. Its wide, pentagonal grille was a panel with tiny ROMs arranged in a pattern. To provide a visual link between the headlights, the automaker highlighted it with an LED light stripe. Furthermore, Mazda installed tiny lit ROMs on the grille's sides to serve as charging status indicators and DRLs. These components illuminated and flashed when the car was plugged in, allowing the owner to quickly check the charging status without having to launch the car's specific smartphone app. The 2025 Mazda 6e's profile gave bystanders the idea that they were looking at a sporty sedan. Additionally, the sculptured door panels, the hood's sharp lines, and the flared wheel arches all attempted to support that idea. But the roof's rounded design, which slopped downward towards the rear of the car, conveyed a different message. Mazda developed a mid-size sports fastback as an alternative to a conventional four-door sedan. At speeds over 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour, a retractable spoiler on the tailboard behind the cockpit automatically deployed. Just below the spoiler, the semicircular taillights joined by a light stripe displayed the carmaker's already distinctive pattern on the sculpted rear end. Despite the car's four-door design, Mazda's frameless windows make it look as amazing as a real sports car. The vehicle also had standard 19-inch alloy wheels with two 45/45 tires. The 2025 Mazda 6e's excellent interior craftsmanship and luxury materials would propel the car straight into the premium market. In addition to the seats, suede was used to cover the dashboard and doors. The manufacturer placed a 14.6-inch infotainment unit display on top of the center stack, while the HVAC system's primary controls were located at the bottom. The instrument panel's 10.2-inch screen was in front of the driver. Other information was also displayed directly in front of the driver on an augmented reality head-up display. The tall center console, which contained the driving mode controls and a few storage spaces, separated the front bucket seats with built-in headrests. Simultaneously, the manufacturer fitted a bench seat with two passenger profiles in the back. Unfortunately, the trunk area was not particularly impressive because it could only accommodate 330 liters, 11.6 cubic feet, which is less than many hatchbacks of a modest size. However, Mazda fitted a 70-liter, 2.5 cu ft frunk. The Mazda 6e comes with two battery sizes and engines. The Mazda 6e 258, the entry-level model, comes fitted with an around 69 kWh LFP battery, allowing for a range of up to 479 kilometers. The electric motor on the rear axle produces 258 PS and a torque of 320 Nm. This combination allows for acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.6 seconds. The battery can be charged at public charging stations with up to 11 kilowatts of alternating current or at DC fast charging stations with up to 200 kilowatts. The most powerful model, the Mazda 6e 245 long range, uses a single 80 kilowatt-hour NMC battery with a 552 kilometers maximum range. While producing 245 PS, the electric motor maintains the same 320 Nm of torque as the 6e 258. Because of the larger battery, 95 kilowatts less power must be used for charging, which means that loading from 10 to 80% takes 45 minutes. In around 8 hours, the Mazda 6e can be fully charged using up to 11 kilowatts of power at public AC charging stations. The Mazda 6e will be available in summer 2025, with prices starting at $45,000 from dealers. The Mazda 6e's price-performance ratio makes it an appealing alternative in the electric car sector, particularly for buyers who prioritize extended range and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Mazda 6e, being a part of Mazda's commitment to both performance and safety, comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. With these advanced safety features, the 2025 Mazda 6e is built to help prevent accidents and protect occupants in various driving situations. The combination of Mazda's iActiveSense suite with additional systems such as the 360-degree camera and reverse automatic braking make the 6e a safe and reliable electric sedan for daily use. These features, paired with the car's performance and technology, ensure that the Mazda 6e stands out as a top contender in the electric sedan market.